I didn't order this? What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to part 2 of this Tommy Hilfiger experience. I cannot believe that this is happening right now. I received a second gift from Tommy Hilfiger, and it looks like this is all the Space Jam capsule collection right here. I'm shook. As you've seen in the intro to this video, I was not expecting this. I actually ordered something from the Tommy Jeans X Space Jam capsule when it first came out, and it was on pre-order. I still never received it, and now I have this right here. So I'm beyond grateful. I am shook to the core, and I'm super excited to see what is in this box. This was not planned, this is not expected, and I am beyond grateful for this platform and for the people out there that appreciate and love the Tommy Hilfiger community. Because again, it's not just a fashion brand, it is a lifestyle for sure. So we're gonna box this, we're gonna hang out, we're gonna talk all things Tommy Jeans and capsule and Space Jam and have fun. So if you're interested, grab yourself a snack, perhaps a Monster. I need a refresh, and keep on watching. You guys, I needed to collect myself before making this video because I am super grateful and shook that this is happening right now. So I'm not gonna drag this out any longer. I know you probably watched part 1 of this, which was not expected, and basically a video of me unboxing stuff that I got while I was at the Macy's historical location in Center City, Philly. There's Tommy Hilfiger inside there. Amazing, beautiful, by the way, check it out. I'll link it up here and down below. But let's get into unboxing these pieces. So number 1, we have this right here, and I'm thinking this is the tank jersey that I love and I wanted really bad. But the pieces from this capsule were a little pricey for me, but I did order just the t-shirt, and it didn't come in the mail yet, but once that comes in the mail, I will share it with you guys. Oh my goodness, this is insane. It already feels super freaking soft. But the tags, Tommy Hilfiger's capsules, Tommy Jeans, the capsules are so intricate and very detailed that it's not just a collaboration and, you know, an artist on the shirt or whatever. They make specific tags like this. And look at the back. Like, this is a collector's item all on its own. This is insane. Here we go. This is the fronts. Bugs Bunny being the king that he is. Very cool. And the back right there, which is just simple. Loving the colors, loving the quality. Now, I can definitely understand why this was priced at the price mark that it was, because this is not your average jersey. Like, this is literally quality. And it's heavy. I love everything about this, you guys. This is insane. So to go with this, it looks like there is also the pants. The jersey shorts. Oh my goodness. I'm shocked. Oh my gosh. So these are actually size small, so they know me well. I'm size 30 waist, so small is like my ideal size. But that's the fronts. I love how the Tommy colors are just right there. And this is Z-back. So these are simple, but they have the, you know, little details right there. Tommy Jeans X Space Jam. But on the front, I'm not sure if you've seen this. We have a little moment going on right there. What do you call that with the ball? What is that? Oh my God. Not a dribble. Dribble is like, that with the basketball. I am awful. Actually, I'm pretty, not gonna lie, I'm not bad at playing basketball because I have some height to me. I have these Betty Spaghetti arms, so I'm not horrible. But yeah, I like to watch it more than play it. So basically, we have the entire jersey set right here. How beautiful is that? That is freaking gorgeous. Thank you so much. I love this. This is insane. So we have that. Looks like there is one more piece in here. And I cannot believe they sent this my way because it is beautiful. I don't know if you guys are ready for this. I don't know if I'm ready for this. I'm not ready for this, but here it is. This is the jean jackets. Oh my God. This is insane. Oh my gosh. Okay. let me get this open. This has all the Looney Tunes on here. The majority of them. Keeping that because this is going to be stored. This is insane. Oh my gosh. Are you guys seeing this? So you have the Tommy Jeans logo, and we have some Looney Tunes in here. See Tweety. Oh my god, is Sylvester on here? Do we see Sylvester? We have Bugs. We have Tasmanian Devil. We have a lot of the cool guys on here. This is insane. This feels super luxurious. Like this is not just your average jean jacket. First and foremost, this is a collector's piece, but also like the quality is just there. That's one thing that I keep stressing is, you know, the pieces are just, they're incredible. They're beyond 10 out of 10. So I'm loving how the buttons do say Tommy Jeans on them. If you can make that out, say Tommy Jeans. Let's see the tag that's on the inside. Of course I'm saving this hanger, are you kidding me? There's also a Space Jam X Tommy Jeans tag in there. So I'm stocked on the collectible tags, loving that. But there's the tag on the inside, embroidered. So we are living, you guys. This is just insane. Let me actually try this on really quick because I'm that obsessed with it right now. I know I keep saying it, but I'm so grateful and honored to be on Tommy's radar. I've been making dedicated Tommy Hilfiger content for years, and let me tell you, like, it is literally a part of my life now at this point. All my friends, I inspire so many people that I know that love Tommy Hilfiger now because of me. So it's just cool to know that, you know, we're keeping this brand alive as a community because there's tons of us, and there's a lot of us out there that admire this brand. It's probably looking a little weird with this button down underneath, but how are you feeling about this? Oh my god, and it's a perfect size too. Like, this is literally the perfect size. This is large, perfect for me, and I'm loving it. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, this experience. Again, thank you to the Tommy Hilfiger team and to all you guys out there that support me as a personality, a collector, a designer, because I do have a small business, and just somebody that really admires a American brand that really is the epitome of American fashion. So I'm so happy right now. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are not already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love your company. If you love Tommy Hilfiger, this is definitely a channel for you to follow. I post tons of Tommy Hilfiger content on here. Go thrifting for vintage pieces. I shop online. I bid for pieces. I go to the outlet. I go to department stores searching for Tommy. You name it. This is your #1 source for all things Tommy Hilfiger. As a reminder, I do have the dedicated Instagram page known as the House of Hilfiger, which is where I post all my Tommy Hilfiger content. I have a series on there as well known as House of Hilfiger, and I do unboxings and stuff like that on there as well. So if you have an Instagram, do not forget to give that a follow. I will link it down below. And my personal Instagram is right here at @𝗏𝗏. If you want to follow my personal account, feel free to DM me if you have any questions. If you see something cool Tommy Hilfiger related online or in a store, hit me up. I love to have those type of conversations. And until next time, as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.